What's up, everyone? It's Easy Cheese here, and I have a question for people watching this video. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you microwaved a potato, like a little tiny potato, for like 5 minutes? I was about to cook some food, so I decided, well, let's find out. Let's do that. Let's choose a potato. Yeah, that one looks alright. Yeah, pretty small. Good firmness. I'm not no potato connoisseur, but cat. Let's nuke this baby for 5 minutes, shall we? Potato massacre time. You definitely don't want this thing to explode in the microwave. That would be unfortunate. Let's wrap it up. I might keep some of this extra again. Hidden microwave, despite the wire. And 5 minutes. We're going to come back in about 5 minutes and see what's happened to this potato. We just passed up 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's getting pretty steamy in there, it looks like. Wow. It smells like potato in the air. I mean, I can see one reason why. I mean, we are microwaving the potato. Normally when baking one like this, I imagine you wouldn't have it on no longer than 2 minutes because it's such a tiny little potato. I mean, for a massive potato, I could see microwaving it for 5 minutes, but one this tiny, I don't know what's gonna happen. I guess we'll find out. Alright, we're in the last few seconds. At around 20 seconds, just when I was starting up the camera, it started making a squeaking sound. Alright, we're done. It's gonna be kind of hot, I imagine. Ooh, yeah, it's hot. I can't even remember where anything's at, and there's the mitt. I think right at the thumb hole. It's a nice soft feeling. I'm getting experimental with food at midnight. It's quite soft, actually. Oh, paper stuck to it. Oh well, more fiber. Smells kind of like a French fry. Cut quite easy. Just baked it normally. Shall we put it back in for another 5? Yeah, let's put it back in there for another 5. Because I'm quite disappointed with the product. I'm hoping by burning it I can create something. Actually, let's be generous and do it for 3:30. And I just stopped it. 3:30. Let's keep it on for 3:30 and see what happens. Alright, we're down to the last 13 seconds and my camera's refusing to focus. There's a lot of steam in the air. Here we go, it's focused now. 4, 3, 2, 1. It definitely looks smaller than it did. Let's go get the mitt. I don't trust this. The potato smell has kind of went away, or else I've gotten used to it. Don't need to break the microwave. There we go. Let's unpeel it. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's kind of shriveled up. It's hard. Oh wow. Hot. And if you're wondering, yes, I am going to try and eat this. Because that actually looks a lot like the inside of a fry. And yes, I know a French fry is a potato. I have a macro lens on this camera, but let's try to get a good look at it. It's really like, wow. It's like stretchy. Oh, it just kind of rips apart like that. Still quite hot. Ow. It really just smells like an unsalted French fry. Bon appetit? Is that what you say? Quite interesting. It's like a big steak fry. I turned a potato into a steak fry.
Want 'em alone?
Oh. Let's need salt.